Hello my friends, welcome to the series about the most chic table for the planet. If you want to see how to reach this final result, don't hesitate to watch the other videos of the series. It also works very well with a bench. So don't hesitate to watch the other videos. In the present video, I will be showing you how to place feet below the pallet so that it becomes a long-lasting table. Of course, this solution can also help out for any other type of table, but let's say that here for the pallet it's the good way. Of course, it won't replace the quality work of a carpenter, but from a functional point of view, it will do the job. Let's go! So now I recovered the beam on a two-way pallet, so in case you want to spend your money and consume the resources of the planet as fast as possible, then you can skip this sequence. It is true that on the other hand it makes a bit more of work. As a conclusion, I can say that this level of satisfaction is definitely worth the effort. So now for the feet, we have to find the feet somewhere, and this feet we'll be finding it in a so-called two-way pallet, which are the ones having beams on the bottom. I've of course already shown you specifically how to dismantle these ones. You have as a result 4 very nice little beams, of which the usage is extremely multiple. Not to count the video about the express pallet, which is the easiest to dismantle, with a reservation that sometimes these beams will not be long enough for the table. Could be used for a bench. So now we're proceeding with a little sequence of domestication of rough wood. To be honest, this is a little effort which has a great aesthetical benefit, so it's definitely worth it. I did it for the feet for the bench, but I didn't do it for the table, which I have to say I regret, as you can see in my recap video, because everything was perfect with the exception of these 2 feet, and honestly for this 10 minutes work I should have done it.
Asikaze sibe sodwa ithemba likhona kuwo wonke umsindo umhlaba uyasibona sinqobile siyabaleka ngaphansi kwelanga shayilanga mama siyakhanya dlala ibhola.
Now I need to know the exact height of my table, and for this I'm checking inside the right measurement. So for knowing the height of the table, I'm taking a normal table. This here is the wonderful table that I've restored. See the wonderful series about it. And now I'm measuring, and I can see that the height of the table is 76. Now I'm measuring height of the upper boards. Further comment, I'm doing this here on the feet of the bench, and it's exactly the same approach whatever type of table, as long as you have means for placing the sneak below. So now I'm checking again the thickness of the boards. So here it's 2 millimeters. We've seen that the good height for chairs is 46.5. I deduced the 2 centimeters of thickness of the boards. This makes 4 cleats with a 45.5. So now we still have to cut the feet from the bench. Before making the sneak, have a look at the shape of the wood, because with a little effort you will have great aesthetical improvements. So let's have a look. So of course it depends on the type of the wood, but here you see there's a small little drawing which may deserve to be in the front. Here it's less nice, so we can leave it. Here for instance you see here that's really beautiful compared to this zone. This here is as good as well. And you have some wood which don't have any drawings, so this is absolutely neutral. So it makes in the end that you can take a nice shape for being at the outside, which is the visible part. Alors, j'en ai qu'une que j'ai mise. On va se faire la petite encoche. So I'm not super satisfied because here I wanted this to be placed on this one, so that's not very cool. So for these mistakes in measurements, I could have cut here the missing piece, but the problem is I would have lost half a centimeter, which is really not good for the height for having your meal, otherwise you're eating with your head in the bowl soup. So one little comment, here we'll be placing the feet for good. I've already shown you in the first video of the series about how to place temporarily feet below a table with the help of a speed clamp. This operation takes less than 1 minute. I'm putting you a couple of pictures. And I'm making sure that the side of the speed clamp is well aligned with these parts here. Here I'm putting them a little bit in a different way because I need some space for the screwdriver. So I'm taking longer screws, so this is 80. So if it's moving like this, just take a speed clamp, make sure that it won't move more. Here there's a problem. And here, as it's not holding, I will take big screws for this place here. That's it, my friends, this is the end of the video. So now for the table, given the length of the feet, we still have to make a couple of steps of consolidation, which I will be doing with little cleats for holding the feet on the top. I will also be adding small slices of wood above the sneaks, which are too high. And I will also put a horizontal board for joining the 2 feet on each side. And that will be the subject of the next video. So I hope to see you there on Happy Hour TV 1.